Hello, welcome. My name is Sadalka, your tour guide. Here we are going to learn a bit about the history of Miami, the city, the country, Cuba, which influenced this neighborhood, and of course the neighborhood, Little Havana. So along the tour, if you have any questions, feel free to throw them at me. If you record me live to go on social media, that's fine with me as well. So follow me to visit, why this area is so historical, so important for the Cuban community, but also for the Latin community overall in Miami. So this way.